On a recent episode of the BuddyBoss podcast, my guest Candice McField was describing how, now that she's launched her premium community, her next goal is to start figuring out how to get more new members into it. Now, if you're running a community, whether for free or paid, you've probably thought the same thing. What do I actually do to systematically and methodically gain a steady stream of new members each week and month? What you need is a funnel. And in this video, I'm going to outline for you exactly what a funnel is, why you need a funnel at all, and exactly how a community can fit into that process. Let's dive in. Welcome to the BuddyBoss podcast. I'm your host, Jason Broderick, Head of Content and Marketing Strategy here at BuddyBoss. If you're new here or you just haven't gotten around to it yet, could you do me a favor and hit that subscribe button below? It really helps other people discover all of the content here at BuddyBoss, as well as notifying you of when we shoot new videos. What is a funnel? A funnel is just a fancy way of describing the path that your members take to arrive, join, and ascend through your community. It's the set of intentional, purposeful steps that guide people through in order to achieve the outcome that you want. You can have a funnel specifically to gain lots of members, a different funnel to generate loads of new customers, another funnel to call out potential one-to-one clients from your members. The list goes on, and there's no one right way to do it. You have to decide what you want to achieve in your business, and then the right funnel to intentionally make that happen. Why do I need a funnel? Yeah, okay, Jason, I know what a funnel is, but do I really need a funnel for my community? Well, in truth, no, you don't need a funnel to have a successful community. But let me outline the main reasons why a community funnel will help you. Increase awareness and capture leads. A community funnel can help you increase the number of people who learn about your community who might never even know that you exist. It can also help you capture those people who become aware of you as leads to start building a business asset that you own and control instead of just letting them all forget about you as soon as they leave. Convert leads into members. A funnel can help you intentionally guide those people who become aware of you or maybe have given you their email address into deciding to become a member of your community instead of just an email on your email list. Liquefy the cost of paid traffic. A funnel can help you quickly earn a small amount of money from a brand new lead that you gained through paid advertising to help you lower the overall cost of advertising to those people. This is called liquefying the cost of your ads, and it's one of the most powerful strategies to strap a jetpack to your community growth. Increase member lifetime value. A funnel can help you seamlessly and subtly lead your members towards taking a desired action like buying a product or moving from a free community to a paid membership, thereby increasing the value to you of your community and its members. Ascend members to higher tiers of value or get better results. A funnel can help you not just increase the value of your community to you, but also increase the value that your community gets from being a member by intentionally guiding them down a desired path towards the results that you know that they want to achieve. And ultimately, isn't that the reason that we all grow communities in the first place? Where does a community fall along the funnel path? So now that you understand why a funnel could be valuable to you and your community, let's outline some of the ways that a community can actually fit along the whole customer value journey of your business. Using a community to build awareness. Awareness is the very first stage of the customer value journey. If they don't know that you exist, they'll never be a member. Free communities are a great way to gather a large audience of people around a set of common interests, challenges, or situations that allows you to use your expertise and authority to make them aware of you. Using a community to capture leads. A community can be the way that you actually capture the leads from the people who become aware of you by getting them to register for your free community on a community platform that you own, like BuddyBoss. You can take that awareness that you've generated and gain their email address and the permission to continue to reach out to them through being a member of your free community. Using community to convert leads to paying members. A paid community can be a great way to transform that relationship from being a lead or prospect into a customer of yours. Offering an entry-level paid community could be the perfect way for you to gain the trust of your leads before you offer them higher priced products or services, or to gain some value from that majority of the community who might not want to pay for a higher priced product, but might choose to become a paid community member. Using community to liquefy the cost of traffic. Now, this is my favorite one, where you run ads to attract new community members and then have them pay a very small amount to join, which reduces the cost of the ads that you just spent to acquire them, thereby allowing you to spend more on ads to acquire new members in a lovely virtuous cycle. Using community to increase member value. Paid communities are the perfect way for you to take your relationship with a customer of a one-time product to the next level by offering them a recurring monthly product, or to offer them a higher priced membership if they've already bought your core offer. This increases the overall total lifetime value that the individual member is worth to you. Using community to ascend members to higher tiers of value. If your customer might have just finished a course with you, or a 21-day challenge, or if they're a coaching client, then a premium community might be just the right next step to get them to move themselves forward on their own journey, making them more successful in the process. Paid versus free community funnels. So now let's take a look at this through another lens. Here are some examples of free and paid community funnels depending on the price point that you want your community to be at. Free community funnel examples. Lead magnet. For a free community, you could offer a small piece of value for free in exchange for registering as a member of your community. You could then promote that lead magnet through social media or even in other communities to raise awareness and ultimately gain new community members. Resource library. One step up from offering a single lead magnet, once your community starts to grow, you could offer a free resource library available to community members only. Maybe even allowing your members to share links to those resources on social media, which will help attract new members to the community. Hub and spokes content method. The hub and spokes content method is very popular at the minute, where you create a medium-sized piece of content for your community members, the hub piece, and then you chop that up into tiny little fragments of value and share those across several social media platforms through Reels, Shorts, TikToks, tweets, or whatever, the spokes. And then you point people back to the community to come and watch the whole video or read the whole guide or whatever. This method is great if you already produce a large volume of content for your community members themselves, so that you can repurpose all of that value that you already spent time creating. Paid community funnel examples. $1 trial. This is the perfect way to position a low-priced community at the very front of your premium funnel. After you capture a lead, say with a lead magnet or tool, you immediately offer a $1 trial to join your premium community, which can then renew at any monthly price that works for you. This is also an amazing way to liquidate the cost of running the ads to whatever that lead magnet was. Low ticket downsell. If you have a core offer like a course or a one-to-one coaching program, then a low price downsell to your community can be a great way to capture value from people who might not have bought that offer from you. Hey, you didn't buy my course for $497? Well, want to join my community for $47 a month instead? Mid-priced upsell. A mid-priced community as an upsell to your core offer is also a perfect way to plant your community along the funnel for your customers. If they're coming to the end of your course or they want a bit more access than they're getting in your coaching, why not offer them a mid-priced monthly community as a way to continue that journey with you and others just like them? So there you have it, an overview into the different types of community funnels and how they can really help your community flourish. If you currently run an online community and you don't have a systematic way of attracting new members like I've outlined above, answer me in the comments, which one of these do you think makes the most sense for you, and what steps are you going to take to implement that for your community? As always, click that subscribe button to get updates on all the latest content here at BuddyBoss and to teach the algorithm that this stuff is gold. Until next time.